Welcome back everybody. In this video we're going to have a look on a couple of reasons why you want to be bearish on Bitcoin. First of all, and crypto obviously, we have a weekly mega nasty rejection candle here on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. Okay, last time we had this wicks, long wicks. This is bearish. Okay, we start a big decline. Okay, same here, mega wicks, big decline on the weekly chart. If you get long wicks on the weekly chart, 80% of the time you're gonna get a big pullback. Okay, so this is very bearish. And if you're looking with the MA on the weekly, the 50 moving average on the weekly, we just got rejected from it and it's now acting as our resistance. Now in the summer correction, it was our support. Okay, so that was a totally different market. Bitcoin was light, it was strong, it was powerful. That's why we had an amazing run. Here we are underneath the 50 MA. Bitcoin is weak and vulnerable. Okay, so you have to pay attention. There is a lot of weakness in the Bitcoin chart. Now another very bearish sign is the stock market. Look at the S&P 500 chart today. This is very bearish. We are below the 200 moving average and the 50 is coming back down. We're gonna get a death cross on the stock market soon. Last time we've been below the 200 moving average was back in the COVID crash. In that time, once we dropped below the 200 moving average, the S&P collapsed 27% and Bitcoin basically dropped from 10K all the way to 3,800. Okay, so you gotta pay attention to these warning signs you get from the markets. Okay, and if you hold in Bitcoin and crypto, just make sure you have your stops placed because you can get a serious drop in the prices. And also if you look here, we are now breaking bearish from a rising wedge. All right, this is a rising wedge, very bearish chart pattern. Okay, once this S&P will go below this level, the 4090 ish, expect major collapse in the markets. Okay, and also Bitcoin, you have to assume Bitcoin will collapse with the S&P because that's what happened in the last 2 years. Complete correlation. All right, and another chart is very important to watch is the dollar. Look on the dollar weekly chart. All right, this thing is on a bull market. Once the dollar is in a bull market, Bitcoin is in a bear market. You see here, that was from 2018, bull market for the dollar, bear market for Bitcoin, bull market for the dollar 2022, possible bear market for Bitcoin. And also in the other direction, bear market for the dollar in 2020, Bitcoin went ballistic, parabolic. Also here, a bear market for the dollar in 2017, Bitcoin exploded. Okay, so you get the point. You have to assume Bitcoin weakness on a strong dollar and you need to pay attention. Now, thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below what's your price target for Bitcoin for this year. In my opinion, I think we're going below 20K this year and that would be amazing buying opportunity to stack some Bitcoin. So if you want to come and accumulate Bitcoin with us in the trading group, first link in the description. And just another thing, always look for the next opportunity, even in a crisis. You can see gold, for example. Watch the gold, okay, because the gold market is looking amazing. You can see huge volume coming in for the gold market. We're still in a consolidation pattern here, okay, for the last year or two, okay, and we're still under the all-time high. Once this thing will break the all-time high, you can get a major gold rush, gold bull market in 2022. So put gold on your radar. It will be amazing. I think it's going to be amazing swing trade, you know, to stack your money and just hold gold and let your equity or portfolio go up, because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for yield. We're not wearing crypto. We trade the cycles. Sometimes you're bullish on crypto, sometimes you're bullish on gold, sometimes you're bullish on oil, sometimes you're flat and not doing nothing. Wait for the markets to collapse. All right, guys, so thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.